Assalamu alaikum everyone. So if you check the top right, you can actually see what the private is all about. And speaking of the private, 5 more days to close. And one thing that I want to say is the following. We sold meme and then it dropped down. We sold Luna Classic, it dropped down. We canceled Tone and then it actually dropped down, and I've actually made a video on Tone, why it's gonna crash. You can watch that. We sold PEPE, the other version of PEPE, like one is PEPE and the other one is PEPE with an I, right? We sold that, took 25% profit 4 days ago, and it dropped down. We canceled Bonk, it's dropping. Knowing when to exit is a big deal, okay? It's tricky as heck. Technical analysis is love. Now, because of TA, I'm actually able to do all of these things, and I did help my people on private. So that's why I'm telling you to join. And if you want to be a part of Discord, comment Discord, and I'm going to give you an invite link. All right, so as you can see, on the top right, we actually do have the private stuff going on. Now, PEPE, right? So PEPE has actually moved a little bit higher, and I saw that you're coming just very, very near to that trend line at the moment. And even way before you could have touched the trend line, it has been bad. And I told you that if PEPE comes down to 8205, that's going to be really, really bad idea. Now, the problem is that there is an open invitation for trouble. And I'm going to repeat this again. There's an open invitation for trouble. And if you're wondering what that really means, it's one thing that is simple. And that is you have a wick down here. When you have a wick, it actually shows that you have trouble with the coin itself. Because when wicks are actually made like this, they open up invitation to come down and fill the wick. So basically we still could actually have chances to see PEPE dropping down. So what I'm going to say is that if you just take out 8206, I think it's actually 8097, the prices are 8206. Okay, so it's 8097, and if you actually take it out, then I could say with certain confidence that you have to really check PEPE to go all the way down. You had an opportunity to hold this retest and you blew it. Okay, that actually did not work out. Instead, you crashed below that support line which you are supposed to be holding, and today you're even going way below it. So if you do end up coming down and down, this pattern gets destroyed, and that is going to be the end of it. And that's why I say private is pretty cool, because I closed and I told my members, don't trade anything. I'm going to tell you when to trade. And somewhere down in September, I'm actually planning on a 40 to 50% profits anytime in November. I think it's going to be maybe on the second week of November. And on the second week of November, I have plans, right? I have plans. I'm actually looking ahead of time of the coins. I'm planning on which coins are best for us to trade. So I'm doing the whole thing here. And you pay a little for 1 month. And the plan is that whatever you're paying, you get back, even in 2 folds, 3 folds. So you're not wasting any money. That's something that I'm really trying my best to do. If you want to be a part of Discord, comment Discord. I'll generate the invitation link and you can join. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next round, office.